Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to trick or treat in 99 Nights in the Forest. And basically if you want to be able to trick or treat, you have to make your way over to this guy at first in the spawn or in the base, whatever, and you want to just go ahead and ask him a question. You just want to ask him, you just want to basically just ask him, how do I trick or treat? And then he'll basically tell you that you want the candles from, like, these places. Once you find the candles, or once you have a bunch of candles, you just make your way over to any house, I guess. Use them on houses, to light them up. And then at nighttime, you have to do this at nighttime, I believe, as well. You can't do this in the morning. And they will basically either give you a trick or a treat. Obviously the treats will be good and the trick will be bad, but other than that, that's basically it. So we can go into a game. Just make your way over to any game. Just look for candy, and I believe it said you could find candy from, like, you could find candies from, let's just say, like, I think it was from, like, occultist wave bosses, just random chests, anyway, or anywhere, or just, and like the higher, like, the night, so let's just say you're day 50 or whatever, you have a higher chance than, like, day 2 or day 3, etc. But anyways, once you basically find the candy, just make your way over to the houses, and you will be able to trick or treat. But I believe also, again, you have to make sure that it is at nighttime. So just keep that in mind, and once you have all of these things done, you guys should be good to go, and that is it. Now that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.